Hello students, welcome to the video of notice writing. I think you are aware of a notice. Many a times when your class is going on, a peon comes with a register to your classroom and you become very happy. Why? You think some notice has come and the notice may be about a leave. It may be about an interesting program of the school. It may be about some sports. So you become very happy. But some notices are put on the notice board of your school. They may be important for you or they may not be. But it is very important to learn how to write a notice. Why? Suppose you have lost your lucky pen which was gifted by some near and dear ones and you are very upset because you lost your pen. What to do? You try to give information to your friends, but how? You write a notice that your pen is missing. If someone has seen, please return it to the given address and the finder may approach you with your pen. So you may get back whatever you lost, or you are successful to give information you want to give through a notice. So notice writing is very important, and now you have to learn how to write a notice. First, I would like to show you a model of notice. See this notice. What is written? Happy School Gaya. Notice 1st April 2020 holiday. This is to inform that the school will remain closed on 2nd April 2020 Thursday on the occasion of Ram Navami. This school will reopen on 3rd April 2020 Friday as usual. Prem, the principal. So what did you notice? What did you see in the notice? First, you write the name of the institution which gives the notice. Your school here, and you write the date also. The date is very important. Why? Suppose you read a very long notice on the notice board. You worked hard to read the notice, but at last you saw that the notice was written last year. So what would happen to you? So the date is very important. The date is used on which the notice is written. The notice is given. After the institution, you see the word notice. That you are reading a notice. Sometimes the word notice is written above and the name of the institution later on. So both are correct. Either you write notice first or the name of the institution, both are correct. But after these headings, you have to write the title of the notice, means what is the notice about. It may be about something you lost, it may be about something you found, it may be an information about some program. So content may be different, but in the body part of the notice you have to use objective language, means you have not to use I, my, me, we, our, us. You have to avoid these things. And as the notice is a message, so you must give all the points that is important in the message. So you should read the question again and again, question of the notice. You should read the question of the notice again and again and try to find out what is the requirement. And each and every point must be mentioned in the notice. For example, the date of the program, the place of the program, rules and regulations of the program, etc. So you have to read the question again and again and try to find out what are the important things to be mentioned in the notice. And you have to mention all the things clearly. And at the last, at the end, the writer writes his name and the designation. So this is the format of a notice. And again you have to see the important things about the notice. First, you write the name of the institution, then notice, then on the left hand side, date on which the notice is being given, then the heading of the notice, and all these headings, name of the school, notice and the title, all the headings should be clearly shown in the notice, and there should be a proper gap between these headings so that they must be shown clearly. After the heading of the notice, you have to leave some place again and then start the body part. And at the end, you have to write the name of the writer and the designation, and whole things should be written in a box. Why? You have to make the notice catchy, attractive. If your notice fails to attract the people, it means your notice is not successful. So you have to make your notice attractive, catchy. You may use highlighter, you may use different color to highlight the different points, main points of the notice. I think it is clear to you how to write a notice, and you must see notices written in newspapers and other notices put on the notice boards. Then you will be able to understand about notice well. Okay, thank you.